We are in a very sleepy surf village in the Mornington Peninsula, and that's what the client was attracted by. There's a general store here and not much else. This is a family of 3. Ever so often they would host family and friends. This house was going to be the house where they can cater for everyone. They're quite open to funky ideas. And they said, we really like the feel of a Palm Springs motel. And we're like, right, of course, that sounds amazing. We had quite a bit of land to work with and we wanted to keep it single story. It sits nestled in the landscape, but the intention was to create a house that has a deep connection to the outside. You sort of always feel like you're really connected to nature. You feel the presence of the beach whilst you don't see it. That's why we created the pool, making that the center, so you still have that presence of water that you can use. Most of the materials that we used here are in its natural form. We've got brick, we've got timber, we have cork. It's all materials that are quite timeless, durable, sustainable, and can take the brunt of a family life while still feeling like a home. The choice of masonry came out of the motivation to use something that's grounding and has some solidity to it. We love the modularity of it and how you can play with it and actually create really soft forms. What we really liked about the brick was, whilst it is a light colour, it's very warm and has a very soft and matte texture. It creates beautiful shadows when the sun hits them. It's just a beautiful element. The base of our materials is actually quite muted, as you can tell by the earthy tones, which then created the canvas for adding some colour pops into it, which we did with the shutters, with the stained glass, the client's artwork, and some of their furniture pieces that would really complement the house. The orientation was very much driven by opening ourselves up to the northern light. That's why there's this long hallway where we capture the northern sun in the brickwork. Whilst you're in here, you feel quite private. If you want to get the sun, open the shutters, let the sun rays in when you need them in winter. In summer, it keeps the bedrooms cool and dark when you want them dark. One of my favourites must be the sunken lounge. This was just a very special thing to get to be doing. It was in close collaboration with the interior design team and the architects and the builder and the clients, and we all worked together. There's a special moment in each area of the home. Our bathroom, that was an interesting brief. The clients wanted to have a Japanese influence, which was quite a fun element to come up with. Usually a Japanese bath would be tiled, but we used the tiles that would usually be in the bath all around the rooms. And then little crafted elements like a timber rost in the shower and timber joining, which is a reference to the Japanese craft. The intention was to have fun with this house. This is what the client came to us with. They said, let's have a bit of fun.